name is Vincent. Let's take it for a rip. The seat's at the reupholstery shop, so I'm sitting on the airbox, but should be fun. So, not a bad ride. We're still waiting on the seat to come back from the reupholstery shop, but that's going to be pretty cool once we get a brand new seat on there. I'm sure I'll put a picture of what this thing looked like when we first got it. Some nice Douglas wheels on here, so it'd be nice to get those polished up and really shine them up for what they are. I got to grease up the front rear U-joints at where the axles connect. They're a little squeaky. Should probably put some air in this tire. This thing's been sitting outside for a little bit. It's so big we can't fit Sarah's car in here, and all these silly toys. So I just pushed the quad outside and take the key out, and it's been there every day since. So that's exciting. Waiting on decals. It'll say Suzuki Quad Runner Vinson and then 500 4x4. Definitely gonna need a new headlight mount at least. I might be able to plastic weld that one, but they're pretty foggy. It's just, they're so expensive. Even that little plastic cover that we're missing, it's a $100 part. Each headlight, $100. So we're gonna try and find a parts machine as a donor and save a little bit of money. Comment down below what you think we paid for this thing. I kind of left some hints in the differential replacement videos. If you haven't seen those, check them out on the channel. This thing was so I hope you enjoyed the quick video. The thing runs great. We'll have to tear the carb apart, clean it up. Maybe we'll make a quick video on that and put some stickers and finishing touches on it. Every quad I've purchased in Alaska so far, I haven't really loved all that much, but I really like this thing. It's not a Honda, but it's really fun and really cool for what you get here. You know, you get lots of snow, and as much as I love my KFX 400 and how much as I want a 400EX, this thing's really cool for my current living conditions. So I think I'll have to convince Chase to get one of these here Vinsons or something similar that's got 4-wheel drive, and we'll make some fun video for you guys to enjoy. If you haven't seen the video of Chase and I and a couple buddies going out to rescue an RMK that was lost out in Summit, Alaska, then make sure you check that out. We're looking at a new sled as well. Might be trading up, selling both of these and getting something really, really cool. Haven't told the story on this thing yet, so stay tuned for that. That's a really, really cool sled, and we got it for stupid cheap. So the carb rebuild video is up on this, and it's in the done pile. We're gonna park it and enjoy it in the summer. It's a really, really cool bike. So thanks for watching.